Look up what the torque's supposed to be.
There you go, garage. Now that's the spirit. How you doing?
Actually, this is a good song.
Oh, wow, he actually likes the Metallica.
All right, when we go to the top, it is Metallica.
You're 3/8.
Awa Joe makes the job go
Try that
smooth.
one.
I can go
Try
for
that
a
one.
beer.
Yeah, I wish I had one.
I have some evenings in my truck.
Have a beer. Why not?
You're not telling me twice.
Are they outside?
Yeah, they're in my truck.
Well, they must be like
Here,
a
try that.
ice cube now.
Good. Nice and cold.
That's it? No way. That's a 9.
No, it's an 8. Give me an 8.
No, you're making me look bad.
Give me a
I
5.
won with a 9, it's still not even close.
Bet you this is it.
This is what I like to do too. I like a major job. I don't like a fucking break. I like satisfaction when it's running and
You know how
burning
many-
rubber.
What's the Yingling?
You know how many
It's like
motors?
if Dracula going transformation.
Do you know how many motors I pulled
Here,
out?
Dad.
My son Justin and I got so good pulling out. Matt was a young kid. Jesse was young.
This is how I
We
figured.
got so fast at pulling out a Jeep motor.
Oh, what, straight
Out of a
six?
Cherokee.
Yeah.
We pulled, whoa. We pulled the motor and had put the second motor in and running in 3 hours. We were done.
Yeah, literally, he's not kidding. Hey, Freddie, was that in the 70s?
A freaking 8-year-old.
Last summer I did
A
it.
freaking 9-year-old could pull a boat motor.
9.5 hours.
9.5 hours. Well, yeah, what size was the motor?
Okay, now,
Straight iron deuce.
get all this stuff up and we need to be. Okay,
Sorry?
Matt,
Yes.
Here you go, Matt.
Matt, this
What
is gonna be
stays
your
under? What
specialty.
comes
I would
out?
just take everything and flip it up.
everything out of it.
Well, no, don't do that.
Put a carb right on top of the
Let me have a
motor.
beer. You guys are crazy.
Huh? What do you think? How's that? That's it. You're gonna fall over now. Another guess who went straight to your head. Oh, we got
That's
customers.
cool. I'm finally having a beer with you guys after what, 2 years?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, finally.
And you heard all my Foster stories.
Cheers. Cheers, Dad.
Yeah, the fucking his car is gonna take the blunt of this tomorrow morning.
Cheers. Got a little bit of a mess here.
There we go.
Yang-a-ling-a-yingy.
Yin yang. Oh, see, look, he's drunk already. Look, he's slurring his words.
What it is, they're not that dark.
out. He's already pulling.
They're not that dark though. Look, see that? Oldest brewery in the world.
I know, sir. Well, in the country, I thought, right?
Yeah.
All right, here you go.
This is
It's
your
still going, I guess.
sensor.
Yeah.
So this has to be under the car.
Now, that sensor right there, I lay on the windshield. Tuck it under the
this-
seat.
Yeah, I don't think so.
I got that. Yeah, tuck. Actually, Dad, pull that. Here we go. Stuck in here. See ya. That way a little. You're gonna hit anyway. Straight. Or turn to your left, yeah. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, you're good. I'm gonna put the e-brake up. Hang on. Someone's here.
Go down really.
The problem is you're way too far forward. You gotta go back. Yeah, alright. That's right. Coming down here.
Just come down real easy.
We got the salt and pepper shakers.
It's gonna bottom out on that piston, I think.
No, it
It gets down here.
It is not. Don't worry about it.
Dude, it's finally happening.
I had a beer and a half. I'm telling you, it's gonna make it.
He knows the
My dad
ratio
doesn't
of this
drink,
thing.
so
The
we can
ratio is definitely working for him.
Look at that. You better get me in this fucking picture. That's not audio, is it?
I watch these bolts, you don't chafe them now. Hold on.
Chafe.
Hold on.
All right. Has it got to come back to me?
Hold on a second.
I got that shit show.
Yeah.
You gotta come back to me, Matt.
No, it's come in a little bit more
What the
now.
hell is that thing? Why is it turning?
All right, come down with
Come
it,
down.
Pops.
Come
You
down
go.
real easy, real easy.
You ready?
Yeah, if you're not coming all the way down yet, just a
Yeah,
little bit
about
more.
5 inches.
Go ahead.
Coming easy like that. Let it go that easy.
All right, now stop.
Stop.
That is the fucking touch. Did you see
We
that?
gotta push the motor in. I am in the hole.
Okay.
Engine is in. Oh!
Okay, now the great problem is it's in. How do we get the back freaking
Fuck it, leave it
chains
in.
off the thing? You
I
got
didn't do all the bolts, but I did
Alright,
most of them. Most of them were ARPs now.
Wait a minute, let me
Easy
pump it
on
back
the
up again.
Pretty shit.
You want me to close the door?
Yeah, close the door. I'm freezing my ass off.
I don't want you to freeze your ass off.
Either blocks of wood or a ratchet strap. So,
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Look at that.
got a ratchet strap?
Yeah,
Or something? I'm gonna hook off one of these fuel injectors and attach it to the headlight.
You got enough light there? No?
I'm fine, I'm just steadying so don't lean back too far.
Here, you want the bulb?
let
You
me
need the
go
bulb?
get. Let me get a.
No, I need the trans.
Let me get a ratchet strap.
What do you say? What do you say?
Anything will work, a piece of rope.
That was good.
Hey,
here.
I gotta go take-
Yeah, go ahead. Right.
Pull down the back.
He took
Your
this.
pocket, maybe?
Oh, there it is.
There's the bolt.
These are different
Come
lengths.
on,
Of
man.
course they are.
Oh, that's
Little
so easy,
swing-
dude. That is
swing
like,
motor.
this is like fucking, some toy kit.
Toy kit. That sounds like
You've
it's
never
fucking
seen a motor
Japanese.
go in so easy.
How much were these valve covers?
170 for both.
Damn.
Them on American Muscle.
They are pretty though.
Did we tighten them? When I was gone, did by chance Dad?
Darn, you were never here.
Here we go. Need a ratchet strap?
Yeah.
What 5 hours late?
Where you going with it?
I'm gonna go around here and then down there, just something to hold it forward a bit so it's not on tilt.
I didn't say that.
Fred's like,
I like to use it close. What? It ain't over with yet. I kidnapped that little kid, man.
Little
You might
fucker.
see me the front page.
Don't do that.
I don't know how far this
No,
thread's
but
in.
he's.
Put some grease on that so it goes in that new seal.
Now you're gonna go up and round that.
Now we're in. There we go.
Did it click?
Torque converter's in, bro.
Yeah, jack her up.
Oh yeah. Stop.
Oh shit. Saw, dude.
Saw. All right, good. And it turns. That's the most important part. All right, jack it up. You don't have to go fast. Take your time. A million happy meals. All right, stop. Pull that a little bit close.
You gonna push him like
You
close?
really got to, I'm in no rush. I don't care.
No, I'm not either.
More fluid to fall down.
No, I don't care about that. I don't care about
I just
that.
don't want this trans to fall off the back.
No, it ain't gonna fall.
Listen to this. Cheese. Yeah, so we
Yeah, we
picked
just have
the
to hook
cleanest
that-
looking one. We put it in.
Oh, the black one?
Yeah.
Hopefully it, did he flip it over and like try and drain or anything? Or well, actually, yeah, you had to put
we
fluid
did.
in it, right?
Just regular red trans fluid came out of it.
Good.
Nice. It didn't look bad either. I gotta get a throttle body for mine.